Hey friends, if you wish to fix YouTube not working on your Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution will be to restart Microsoft Edge. So close it and just reopen it. If this helps, well and good. If not, then try the next solution. But yes, this is my belief that we are assuming that YouTube is not working on Edge, but it is working on other browsers. If it's not working in general, then it could be a server issue. So the next solution is to clear the cache and cookies. Open Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol, change the time range to all time, check all of the boxes, and then click on clear now. The next solution is to disable extensions. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, go to manage extensions. Now check for extensions that could be problematic. Try disabling them. If that helps, then remove them because those extensions would be problematic. And this is especially true for VPN extensions. Now, while YouTube works in all countries, it deters people who are using VPN. The next solution is to update Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, select select help and feedback, and then select about Edge. Let it update to the latest version. The last solution will be to reset Edge. So on the same page, go to reset settings on the left hand side, select restore settings to their default values, and then select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.